The body's secret language, a journey into your own healing. Have you ever paused to ask your body, not what's wrong with it, but what it's trying to tell you? We've been taught to see our bodies as machines that break down. But your body is not your enemy. It is a sacred map of your life, an intelligent compass for your soul. It is a key. When something aches, it is not a punishment. It is a loving alarm bell, an urgent invitation from the deepest part of you to pay attention. Every pain, every illness, every sensation holds a message. We will learn the secret language of our own being physically, emotionally, and spiritually, and begin the journey home to ourselves. When these energy centers are clouded by relentless cognitive loops or the pressure to control everything, that psychic tension manifests as physical pain. You are resisting the natural flow of universal wisdom. Today, we will not silence the messenger. We will listen. Headaches, the crown of thorns, woven by an anxious mind. When a headache grips you, especially as tension around your temples or a weight on the crown of your head, it's a sign to look deeper than dehydration. Spiritually, this is the domain of your crown and third eye chakras, the seat of your divine connection and intuition. Organs affected: brain, pituitary and pineal glands, nervous system. Energetic cause: trying to carry burdens that aren't yours, a digital flood overwhelming your psychic circuits, doubting your own inner knowing. Healing foods: magnesium-rich greens, omega-3 fats like chia seeds, walnuts, avocado, teas of chamomile, lavender, or peppermint. Sacred practices: your throat chakra is the sacred gateway between your inner world and your outer expression. The feelings that got stuck, that potent energy becomes trapped, creating a physical bottleneck. Declare a 5-minute ceasefire for your mind. Rest your eyes from all screens. Practice box breathing to calm the nervous system. Place a cool cloth with a drop of lavender oil over your forehead and simply receive the quiet. Affirmation: I release the need to control the river of life. I trust its divine flow. My mind is a calm, clear sky. Throat tightness, the unsent. Letters of the soul. When your throat feels constricted, blocked, or sore, it often holds the echo of a profound silence. When your truth is suppressed, the words you needed to say, the boundaries you needed to draw. Organs affected: thyroid, vocal cords, neck, jaw. Energetic cause: a lifetime of swallowing words for fear of judgment or conflict. A belief that your voice doesn't matter. Healing foods: warm lemon water with raw honey, antioxidant-rich blueberries, soothing ginger tea. Sacred practices: it is the wall we build around our heart after being hurt, a shield against grief, fear, or rejection. It is often the weight of emotional armor. When we build walls to protect it, we inadvertently block its light from warming our own lives, leaving us feeling disconnected and cold. Feel the resonance in your throat. Release the vibration. Hum, sing your favorite song loudly, or chant. Write it down. Journal everything you wish you could say without censorship. Practice speaking your truth to yourself in a mirror, honoring the sound of your own voice. Affirmation: my truth is worthy of being spoken. I am a clear channel for loving and honest expression. I deserve to be heard. Chest tightness, the armor around a wounded heart. That tightness in your chest, that feeling of a band constricting your breath. Your heart chakra is the radiant sun of your energetic system. When it churns, bloats, or feels tight, ask yourself, what experience am I struggling to digest? A deep fear of vulnerability, emotional burnout from overgiving. Organs affected: heart, lungs, thymus gland, rib cage. When you betray your gut instincts, swallow toxic emotions, or give away your power, that fire sputters and your digestive system pays the price. Imagining it expanding with green light. Exhale slowly, releasing old pain. Energetic cause: grief that has not been allowed to rain down. A pet or perhaps most importantly, to yourself, or even yourself. Healing foods, leafy greens, raw cacao, green tea, heart-healthy fats like almonds and olive oil. Giving it permission to be soft again. Liver, intestines, pancreas. It is safe to feel. It is safe to heal. I am love. Sacred practices. Practice heart-centered breathing. Inhale deeply into your chest, gut-soothing ginger and peppermint. Simple, faith, and grace. Gentle foods like rice and bananas. The medicine of a safe hug from a trusted person. Write a letter of forgiveness to another. It is your center of power, your security, your right to be here. Your intuitive filter, sending it love and gratitude. I have the power to digest all of my experiences and transform them into fuel. Affirmation. I breathe into my heart space. This pain is often your energy system putting on the brakes, resisting a step you know you need to take. Your inner fire. Share this with anyone who needs to be reminded that they are not broken. Fear about the future creates energetic static in this connection, making every step forward feel heavy and uncertain. Stomach problems. Digesting the indigestible knees or legs ache with no clear physical cause. Listen closely. It's calling you home. Look to your path. Your stomach is far more than a digestive organ. This is your solar plexus chakra. I trust my intuition implicitly. Organs affected. Stomach, energetic cause. Anxiety rooted in a feeling of not enough. Ignoring your powerful intuition. Internalizing criticism. Healing foods. Probiotic foods like yogurt or sauerkraut. Declaring your sovereignty. Sacred practices. I walk my path with courage. Ground your energy. Walk barefoot on the earth for 10 minutes. Gently massage your abdomen in a clockwise circle. Stand tall and consciously pull your energy back to your center. Affirmation. I honor my inner fire. Foot and leg pain. The anchors of unseen fear. When your feet, let it be the start of a new conversation. Your healing is your journey back to your soul. Your root chakra connects you to the earth. Your stability, organs affected, bones, feet, lower spine, legs, energetic. Cause, fear of change or the unknown, deep uncertainty about your life's direction, a foundational belief that you are not supported by life. Healing foods, grounding root vegetables like carrots, beets, and sweet potatoes, clean proteins, earthy red foods like apples and strawberries. Sacred practices. Earthing. Stand or walk barefoot on soil, grass, or sand. Visualize powerful roots growing from the soles of your feet, deep into the core of the earth, anchoring you. Dance. Move your legs and feet freely to awaken the flow of energy. Affirmation. The earth holds me. I am secure and supported. The journey home. I now choose to honor the wisdom of my body. I choose to listen with boundless compassion. I choose to respond with unconditional love. Every part of me is sacred. Every sensation is a guide. My healing has already begun. If this message touched something within you, allow your body to feel that warmth. You are not alone. Your body is your most loyal messenger. If you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe and drop a comment.